She always finds ways to make me happy.
Kung ano man po yung nangyayari ngayon sa amin ni Maine, kung ano man po yung meron kaming dalawa, masaya po kami kung anong meron kami ngayon.
You know I'd fall apart without you. I don't know how you do what you do. 'Cause everything that don't make sense about me
Kahit anong
makes
sabihin
sense
nila,
when I'm with you.
ikaw at ako,
Like everything this
Sabay
green
tayo sa
girl, I
paglalakbay.
need you. But it's more than
Isipin mo sa dinami-dami ng tao sa buong mundo, dito na lang sa Pilipinas, sa dinami-dami ng tao dito sa Pilipinas, tayong dalawa may pinagdasyon ng Diyos.
of it. You gotta know you want it too. 'Cause I wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted, and I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. Yeah, I wanna make you feel wanted. Anyone can tell you.
Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa lahat ng sinakripisyo mo, sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa Kandiseri. Alam mo na yun, hindi ko na isa-isa ngayon. And ako, sobrang thankful talaga ako. As in, totoo thankful talaga ako na dumating ka sa life ko.
And I wanna show you what I see tonight when I wrap you up, when I kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted, and I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. 'Cause baby, I wanna make you feel wanted, as good as you make me feel. I wanna make you feel better.
naging blessing ka sa akin at sa maraming tao. And for that, nagpapasalamat kaming lahat sa iyo, Maine. Thank you.
Than your best dreams. You're more than everything I need. You're all I ever wanted. All I ever wanted. And I just wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your